Cause it's high time that you know that it's my time. Good morning! Ay! Ano oras na ba dyan? Good morning sa inyo, di ba? Hating gabi na. Hi! Bakit gising pa kayo? Hi, Earl! Hi, Julio. Good morning sa iyo dyan. Napakinggan nyo na ba yung high time? Oh my God, ang kita ng high time. Paano ko ito lalagay? Paano ko lalagay yung link ng high time? Sino pa namilagay ng high time link? Cause it's high time that you know that it's not. Diba hindi ka namin lyrics? Who you think that put you on the map, mga babe? Yes ka, ka-video call ko sila kanina. Sesel na doon. Anyway, napakinggan nyo na ba yung high time? Tsaka yung Station Royal? Miss you too, Vanna. Oo, uy, pakinggan nyo naman. Favor, pakinggan nyo naman. Pwede. Napapakinggan nyo na ba? Napakinggan nyo, play nyo naman. Play nyo, please. Please nyo naman, please. Ito. Ano ba to? Pin comment. Ayan, please play High Time by Reyna. Siyempre ako po ay kasama dyan. Kasama rin natin sila Brilla Summers, Maxi, and Captivating Katkat. Dito, High Time. Cause it's high time that you know it is my time. Miss you, ma. Mukha diva, miss you, ma. Yes, pakinggan nyo, ha. Punta tayo sa channel ko. Bakit sa channel ko? Hi, JR. I'll repeat. Yay! Play nyo. Ayun. Ito yung lipstick. Ito yung laman ng lipstick ko. I chose, sorry. Cause it's high time that you know it is my time. I shine that you know it. Hands on your posterior. Gusto yun, nandiyan. Ayan, Ate Jenaline, pa-play mo naman yung high time. Baka i-play mo pa dyan sa hotel. Ilan naman, pinomote ko lang yung high time. Ito ha, panoorin nyo. Ay, pakinggan nyo please. Napakagandang song po nito. Please. Pakinggan nyo po itong song na to. Ito po. Pakinggan nyo po yung song. Okay? Bye-bye. Yun lang. Who you think that put you on the map, mga babe? Bye-bye.